our way to Gouvernement Winery for the official tasting of our most recent test kitchen dish, Jacques Pépin's Chicken Liver Pâté. The chicken livers came to us from our friends the Howards, who have a homestead. They raised their own chickens and graciously gave the Serendipity Farmhouse Test Kitchen some chicken livers for this recipe test. Hello, my friends. Now this was an interesting dish to make. It's beautiful, but it was a mess. I feel like I'm covered in pâté from head to toe, but it was fun. Jacques Pépin's chicken liver pâté recipe elevates the mundane homestead chicken livers to a culinary masterpiece. Here's what you will need to make enough pâté for 6 to 8 servings. A ½ pound of chicken livers, half an onion thinly sliced, 1 small garlic clove peeled and crushed, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme leaves, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon salt plus more to season, 1½ sticks of butter softened, freshly ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cognac or Scotch whiskey. We use the excellent single malt made by the Copper Fox Distillery here in Sperryville. When preparing the livers, be sure that the livers are free of sinews. Unlike other types of pâtés, chicken liver pâté can be frozen. Because of its extra smooth and compact texture, this chicken liver pâté freezes perfectly. However, you should not freeze this if you have added an aspic for decoration. I'm going to combine the chicken livers. The onions. Garlic. A bay leaf. The thyme. I'm going to do some pepper. And we're going to do approximately ½ teaspoon of salt. We're going to add our ½ cup of water. Then we're going to cover this. Let me give it a quick stir just to make sure that it's in there really well. Okay, good. That. We're going to cover it. We're going to bring it to a simmer and simmer it for approximately 3 minutes. All right. Remove from the heat and let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes. And let's take the livers, and we've already taken the bay leaf out, so the rest of this will go in the food processor. Oh, I'm so excited about this dish. Oh my, I love chicken livers. My mom, fried chicken livers was one of her favorites, and I guess she just passed that on to me and my sister. Not everybody likes the taste of liver or chicken livers, but for me, it's a delicacy. Let's coarsely puree this. Start processing the liver, adding the butter piece by piece until incorporated. As I have illustrated here, ensure that the processor feed tube pusher has been removed prior to adding the butter. Trust me on this one. All right, we're going to turn this on and we're going to start putting the butter in. Tablespoon at a time. Yeah, it's spitting back at me. Hold on. I just caught my hair. Oh my gosh. All right, let's leave this on for a minute. Now we're going to add our single malt. We're going to add just a little bit of salt. I don't think it really needs a lot, so I'm just going to do it in my hand a little bit. Okay. And let me get some pepper here. Okay, just a little pepper. And process for 2 more minutes so that the mixture is very creamy and completely smooth. Pour into a mold or ramekins. Press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pâté and refrigerate until firm. At this point, you can decorate or refrigerate to set and serve chilled. Due to limited time for this test, we chose not to add an aspic or to decorate this dish. Hello, my friends. Now this was an interesting dish to make. It's beautiful, but you know, it was a mess. I feel like I'm covered in pâté from head to toe, but it was fun. And I want you to please join us in a couple of hours. We're going over to Gouvernement Winery, and Nick Gouvernement, our good friend, is going to do the official tasting of Jacques Pépin's Chicken Liver Pâté. Happy cooking! Oh my, it's so beautiful out here today. Here we are, the Gouvernement Winery. Look at those beautiful grapevines. Oh, how I love it here. We're here at the Gouvernement Winery, and our good friend Nick Gouvernement is going to be our official taster for Jacques Pépin's Chicken Liver Pâté. And he's so gracious about this. All right, give it a go and tell me what you think. And you can be honest.
Okay. Creamy, smooth, buttery, with a nice little nut background. Perfect with a Malbec.
Very good.
Santé.
Happy cooking. I wonder what it looks like now.
Check in front there.
It's all over me. And my hair too. Oh no. It's a messy job. What can I say? I love chicken liver. So, shall we check it and see what we have?
Let's
Not on my glasses, I don't think.